In August of this year, JAC Motors launched the HUNTER PHEV pickup truck, becoming the world's first 1,000 torque electric hybrid pickup truck with its powerful powertrain. This model aims to meet the fundamental demands of users across various sectors, such as strong power, low energy consumption, adaptability to all scenarios, and high reliability, through groundbreaking technologies. At the recent Wuhan Auto Show, it was unveiled as a modified agricultural drone that takes full advantage of the powerful performance and external discharge scalability of the H-Power super hybrid architecture. This enables deep integration with drone-based agricultural applications, enabling the joint development of a new solution for pickup trucks and agriculture, unlocking limitless possibilities for smart farmland management. It is built on JAC's in-house developed H-Power Honching super hybrid architecture, a groundbreaking technology platform specifically designed for new energy pickup trucks. It utilizes a 2.0 TGDI hybrid engine, a 4DHT hybrid transmission, AP 2.5 front motor, and AP4 rear motor to deliver a primarily electric, intelligently driven powertrain. This system is a first in the domestic pickup truck industry with a decoupled design. The P2.5 front motor integrates starting, power generation, and drive functions, enabling decoupled operation of the front and rear motors and the engine, enabling a flexible combination and efficient matching of power sources. Furthermore, the 4DHT transmission precisely controls engine speed with 4 gear settings, ensuring the engine always operates in the optimal range. Thanks to the intelligent drive system, the system can seamlessly switch between multiple drive modes based on actual operating conditions. In terms of performance, it truly leads the industry with a total power output exceeding 520 horsepower and a combined torque of 1,000 Nm. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km in 5.9 seconds, giving it an undisputed edge among pickup trucks. Furthermore, it offers excellent fuel economy with a combined fuel consumption of just 1.6 liters per 100 km and a total range of 1,000 km. With a towing capacity of 3.5 tons and a 100% gradability, the JAC HUNTER PHEV undoubtedly ranks among the top domestic pickup trucks in terms of power performance. Efficiency is crucial in agricultural vehicle applications such as crop protection. Its powerful torque delivers strong performance in all scenarios and operating conditions, efficiently completing farmland tasks. Furthermore, with its 100% gradability, it easily tackles challenging mountain roads and even handles heavily loaded slope starts with ease. In addition to its powerful performance, it also boasts excellent off-road capabilities. Equipped with a responsive AWD intelligent electric all-wheel drive system and a millisecond intelligent triple locking system, front/rear electronic differential locks plus energy-saving central locking, the vehicle quickly locks slipping wheels in challenging environments like mud and sand, effectively distributing power while extricating itself from challenging situations. Furthermore, thanks to the direct drive system of its 2.0 TGDI large displacement engine, the JAC HUNTER PHEV's power output surpasses that of most conventional gasoline pickups or hybrid models, even when the battery is discharged, ensuring power balance and reliability in challenging conditions. Powerful power alone isn't enough to create agricultural wealth. A pickup truck's loading capacity is also a key factor in productivity. Higher loading capacity translates to greater transportation efficiency and, consequently, the creation of highly productive wealth. It also features a cage-like body design comprised of high-strength steel, which makes up over 48% of its structure. All 4 doors are equipped with anti-collision beams, and the roof can withstand a pressure of 4.1 tons, effectively absorbing and dispersing crash pressure. Regarding corrosion resistance, which is crucial for long-term reliability, the longitudinal and transverse beam gaps are coated with corrosion-inhibiting wax, while the exterior is completely coated with polyurea paint. This ensures industry-leading corrosion resistance and increased durability.